there, and welcome back to Beautyistic, where honest beauty talks meet smart choices. If you're someone who's curious about grooming tools or looking to keep that facial hair game sharp, you might find this review quite useful. We're looking at the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 replacement blades, a genuine 3-pack designed specifically for the OneBlade electric shaver and trimmer. These blades are crafted from durable stainless steel and promise a versatile grooming experience, trimming, edging, and shaving any length of hair, all with a flexible 360-degree design that follows your facial contours. Plus, they feature glide coating and rounded tips, aiming to protect your skin and offer a comfortable shave without going too close. Now, since this is a men's grooming product, my husband kindly stepped in to help me test these blades, as they're not really my turf to review personally. He's tried these replacement blades over a few weeks, so I've got some solid feedback from him. He found swapping the blades straightforward. They snap on and off the OneBlade handle easily, which is convenient when you want to keep the performance sharp without hassle. The stainless steel quality feels robust, promising durability, and according to Philips, each blade should last up to 12 months with regular use, which is pretty impressive. In terms of performance, the flexible 360-degree design really stands out. It adapts smoothly to the curves of the face and neck, providing consistent contact with the skin. My husband noticed this made edging and trimming precise, especially around tricky areas like the jawline and under the nose. The glide coating helped reduce irritation, and the rounded tips offered that comfortable shave without the razor burn or nicks that can come from sharper blades. Of course, nothing's perfect. While the blade's design is excellent for precision and comfort, the actual shave is not as close as a traditional razor. For those wanting a baby-smooth finish, the OneBlade might feel a bit different. It's more about a balance between closeness and skin comfort. Also, after heavy use, there's a slight drop in cutting efficiency, but that's expected with any blade over time. What about value? Considering these are genuine Philips replacement blades, priced in line with other premium grooming blade refills, the durability claim of up to 12 months per blade adds solid value. Replacing blades on schedule helps maintain optimal performance and skin comfort, which is crucial for anyone who shaves regularly. If you're someone who prioritizes skin protection and precision over the absolute closest shave, this is a worthwhile investment. Comparing these to other replacement blades on the market, the OneBlade blades uniquely offer that 360-degree flexibility and skin-friendly rounded tips, which many competitors lack. Some alternatives might shave closer but risk more irritation or have a more limited lifespan. So, for men with sensitive skin or those wanting a multi-purpose grooming tool, Philips definitely carves out a niche here. The build quality feels solid. The stainless steel construction plus the glide coating work well together. The packaging was simple but practical, ensuring blades stay protected until use. Although I didn't interact with Philips customer service directly for this review, the brand's reputation for responsive support and quality grooming products is well established in the industry, which adds some peace of mind. If you're on a tighter budget, there are cheaper third-party replacement blades available, but be cautious. These often compromise on blade quality, durability, or skin comfort, which can defeat the purpose of using the OneBlade system. To wrap up, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 replacement blades deliver on their promise of durability, skin-friendly design, and precise grooming flexibility. They're especially suited for men who want an all-in-one tool for trimming, edging, and shaving without sacrificing comfort. If you value a gentle shave that adapts to your facial contours, these blades are a solid choice. Just remember, if you want an ultra-close shave, you might want to pair this with a traditional razor for special occasions. If this review helped you decide, please hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more honest beauty and grooming insights. Your support truly helps Beautyistic keep bringing you trustworthy reviews. Thanks so much for watching. If you've already tried these blades, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.